The numerator of a fraction is 4 less than its denominator. If 3 is added, both the numerator and denominator, the resulting number is 3/4. Tanong sa atin, what is the original fraction? Para ma-solve tong problem na to, gusto kong gamitin yung trial and error. Kasi, meron na tayong options dito eh. Gusto lang nating malaman kung alin sa kanila yung nagsasatisfy din sa statement natin. So, breakdown natin ulit yung statement. Sabi dito, numerator ng fraction na hinahanap natin is 4 less than its denominator. Doon pa lang sa first part, baka may mahanap na tayong sagot. Dapat daw, yung fraction, numerator niya is 4 less than whatever it is that is in the denominator. So, tingnan natin isa-isa. Sa number 1, 8 tsaka 14 ito. 8 over 14. Is 8 4 less than its denominator? Hindi. Kasi 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, it's actually 6 less than its denominator. Si 2 naman, 9 over 13. Try natin. 10, 11, 12, 13. Look at that. Meron agad tayong isang option na pumasok because 9 is 4 less than its denominator. And then, less than 13. And then, sa number 3, 9 divided, 9 over 12. This is again not qualified kasi 10, 11, 12. Tatlo lang yung distance nila. Ganun din kay 10 over 13. And then, of course, si 8 over 13. 5 naman. So, paano yan? Meron agad tayong nakahanap na sagot. Ganun ba talaga kabilis ito? Kung hindi ka pa convinced, pwede ka pa magpatuloy. Ang sabi dito, if 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, resulting fraction is 3/4. Try natin. 9 over 13. Pag mag-a-add daw tayo ng 3 sa parehas na numerator and denominator, dapat daw 3/4. 9 plus 3 will give us 12. 13 plus 3 will give us 16. Now, is 12 over 16 equivalent to 3/4? Answer is yes. Kasi pag sinimplify natin yan, given that the greatest common factor of 12 and 16 is 4, ask yourself, ilang 4 meron sa 12? Mahanap mo yung 3. Ilang 4 meron sa 16? Mahanap mo yung 4. Ibig sabihin, sigurado tayo na si 9 over 13 yung hinahanap natin dito sa tanong na ito.